In the FPV world, finding the right balance between performance and fun can be quite challenging, especially for a beginner. There seems to be one drone that ticks all the boxes for a beginner, and that's the Emax Tinyhawk 3 Freestyle. So right out of the box, the Emax Tinyhawk 3 Freestyle impresses me with its lightweight, very durable design. This is a really nice frame. It's built pretty much to withstand the inevitable crashes that every beginner will face. Setting this drone up is a breeze. Literally just charge the batteries, turn on the controller, turn on the goggles, and you're pretty much good to go. Everything is binded already, set up to the right channel. It's really easy to set up. Now these goggles, they're alright. I mean, they work, okay? They're pretty basic. It looks pretty basic. It might not be that comfortable though. There's this like really weird kind of like foam thingamajiggy. It's not really comfortable, but hey, for the price, this is really good. You can adjust the brightness, you can change the contrast, you can record DVR with these goggles, you can take it off. Now, even if you do upgrade the goggles in the future, you can still keep these around as spectator goggles for, you know, other people and whatnot. Now, this controller it comes with, it feels really basic, okay? There's a power switch here. It has the different, you know, like switches over here. Now, what's good about this is it actually gives you all of like the labels. So like this is the disarm part, this is the beginner intermediate mode, this is beeper, this is the turtle mode, flip over. However, with that being said, it is a really basic controller. It feels pretty cheap, it feels pretty basic, but it does give you a lot of functions here. It doesn't even have I don't know how you would bind this to another drone if you ever upgrade, but like I'll have to figure that out, but you know, it's pretty basic. However, that's just a brief overview of kind of what this drone looks like out of the box. It's packed really well. The box, you know, it gives you 2 batteries. It comes with a battery charger. It has like 6 slots you can plug batteries into, so if you buy more batteries in the future, you can plug them in. Now, I would say, because it only comes with like 2 batteries, so the thing about this drone is you can use either 1S or 2S, and how that works is if you're using 1S, you plug in 1 battery. These are 1S batteries that it comes with. You plug this little thing into here, right, into one of these slots, you plug the other battery into this slot here, and then it can run on 1S. If you're going to do 2S, pull this plug out, and you put 2 batteries into here, okay? So you put 1 on here, 1 over here, tie it here, and then it's flying 2S. So we're going to try this out in the field. These are very durable props. I bought like another, and they're really cheap too, so I bought like another couple of packs of these. They're really cheap, very durable, and you just slide them on. You don't even have to put like a screw or anything, you just slide them on. So that's really cool. But we're gonna check this out in the field, see how it flies. Yeah. Okay, so we're here at the field now. We're gonna fly on 1S first. There's someone here at the park, but you know, this is under 250 grams, and like I won't hit him, so we're cool. It's 1S now. Let's see. This is okay. So this is stabilized. It's really good for cruising around. Definitely not that much power. Throttle is usually pretty high up for me on this. You know, cruising, it cruises fine. Pretty good for beginners. A little bit of wind, see it's getting blown away right now. Let's try to go through here. It's very shaky because of the wind, so you know. Okay. Transmitter sucks when you face that way, so I have to face this way. Okay. Now, I want to try to go through here. Yes, let's go. Power of 2.5-inch quads. I have to keep, every time I lose signal, I have to go this way and fly higher. Anyways, fly back because signal is really shit. Okay, there we go. lost signal for a little bit. I hate analog. This is why I hate analog. I fly digital, and this is really hard going to from digital. Oh shit. Oh, okay. It's a really good cruiser, good for cruising around, just to practice kind of your little angle modes and horizon steady. For acro mode, definitely don't fly on 1S because you're not going to have enough power to push out of stuff. So now we're on 2S. There's 8.3 volts. Let's stand like here, make sure it's facing the right direction. Alright, let's hit this. Oh yes, immediately feels a lot better powered. The racing okay. It's a little bit slow for my taste, but it's for beginners. So, oh shoot. That's good enough power. I've never filmed this, so. But there's also an HD0 version of this. It also flies on LRS, so pretty sick. So the signal doesn't cut out. Split S. We almost hit it, but we avoided it. Let's fly through here. Almost hit it, but chill. Oh shoot! Touched the ground. Oh shoot. Well, the thing with this is I can't really see it, so. We are down to 8 volts. I'm gonna fly on this pack again. Let's hit it. Okay. I mean, like, it's alright. The power is pretty good considering the size of this drone. Oh, video. I hate the video of analog, bro. Really need to replace. Oh, almost hit the pole there. Oh shoot. I hate analog video, bro. I really do. I used to fly tiny whoops. Analog, they're okay because like it's in the house. I fly them in the house, so they're alright. But oh my god. So at the end of the day, yes, it's a really good quad. I do really like it. 1S, it's good for cruising around for beginners, but once you get more into it, 2S is an option for this quad. That's really good too because, like, it's not just for beginners. It's also pretty good for intermediate flyers because, like me, like you can push it pretty good on 2S. The battery's not too expensive, so you can buy like a whole pack of them for like less than $100. You fly like, I don't know, like 10 packs. It's a good quad. Okay, I really like it. The antennas on this suck. I had to get my own antennas. I don't even fly analog anymore, so it took me a while to dig up these antennas. Like this one I used to put on like my 5-inch quad. I sold it for a digital one. This one I don't remember, but like analog sucks. Don't fly analog. Fly digital. Get the digital version. It's a good quad for beginners.